In this video, I'm going to show you the materials that I use and the things that I use to make this quilted ornaments. So let's start. I usually use a 3-inch styrofoam ball, smooth. I like the smooth ones. If you want to make another ornament, you can make this tree, but this should be more like a tabletop tree. And here I have like the egg-shaped styrofoams, and here is the half moon. This one is 4-inch. Let me see. Yeah, this one is 4-inch. I buy them sometimes in packages of 2 or 4. You also have this Christmas tree. So the possibilities are endless. For the fabric, I usually get this fabrics. They're Waverly Fat Waters, but you can get other brands. These are perfect. Or you can buy them by the yarn, which one you prefer. And sometimes I get the jelly roll. This one's, you can, if you're gonna look it up, you can look it up as quilting fabrics. This one is perfect because you know the squares that I cut the fabric squares into 2.5 inch by 2.5 inch, and this the strips of the jelly roll, they are already 2.5 inch wide. I'll show you here. You can see they're 2.5 inch, so this is perfect. I usually cut them with my rotary, and like the last video, I got this fabric and all I did is I cut the snowman. I'm gonna put the video on the description box so you can see. Like, you can get, if you want to make something bigger, here, this one is good. You can cut it here to do the center. And the pins, I get the 1-inch dress pins. Here are the ones that are pearl, and here are push pins. I usually use the gold one, and I have this ones. This you can use to embellish the ornaments. Ribbons, I use a bunch of ribbons. This one is a trim. Let me show you that you can put it like here on the side. I love the ruffle ribbons. I love it. I love how they look. Here I have another one. This one I'm not sure if I got that at Amazon or at Walmart. Here's another one. See? And this one, hold on, let me see if I can get it. Look, and this I use also for this side, like where the fabric meets. They look very beautiful. Here are some other trims that you can use, like this ones. You can see, you can put it, and then you can use the, let's say, the pearl pins. And see how it looks. So here's another option. Here, this one. This one is gonna be a little trickier because you have to see where you can pin it. Hold on. Look, I'm gonna pin it here so it will hold. This is very beautiful. So, oh, here's another trim. Look how beautiful. You can use, how do you call this? I forgot. Lace. You can use lace. Here's another. So you have a bunch of options that you can use to embellish the ornament. Also, another option that you can do is those little flowers here. These are fabric flowers, and you can use them here Like if you're not gonna use a pearl head pin, you can use the fabric flowers and glue them, or sometimes I did, hold on, let me show you what I did once. I used this, the pins, these ones are bigger, and then I poke it through the center, see? And then you can put it here to hold your bowl, or even in the center if you want. Hold on, let me see. Look how beautiful. Or you can use them at the side. It's up to you. Let me see. Here's another option for flowers that you can use to embellish your ornament. Another thing are the sequins. You can use your sequins with also the pearl head. See, I have a bunch. I'll show you. Here, I'm sorry. And those you can put them, hold on, where is it? Like here on the center. So you can give it a little more shine, I don't know, embellish. Or you've seen me use this. These are the bead spacers. I love them. You have seen me use this a bunch of times because I love, see, well, not with this because it doesn't match, but you get the point. Or another option is also this ones. You can use seed beads. You have to make sure that the hole is a little bit big so you can put the pin through, and then you can embellish your ornament. Flat back. This one you have to glue them. I use hot glue, so you can put it also. And another thing that you can use to embellish is those charms, and you can hang it from the ribbon. Here, I'll show you. I have a bunch. I have a flamingo. I have lemons. See? You can use whatever you want to also embellish. When I give them, I don't have it here, but when I give this at Christmas to friends and family, and I try to get the charms that have the year, like 2023 or 2024, and I hang them so they know the date that the year that I gave them the Christmas ornament as a gift. So I hope this video helps you to get your material so you can start doing your ornaments. If you have any more questions, just let me know and I can answer them. So Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving, Happy New Year, Happy Holidays, everyone.